Hi friends! Today we will learn comparing fractions in our daily life. So let's start. We know fractions are dividings of a whole. 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 6, 2 by 3, 8 by 12. All these are fraction numbers and they represent dividings of a whole. Now let's learn what are like fractions. 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 4 by 4. All the fraction numbers that have same denominators are known as like fractions. And now, we're going to learn how to compare these like fractions. Your mom cooks a pizza and cut the pizza into 4 equal parts, and she can either give you 3/4 pizza or 2/4 pizza. Now, in which case, you will get more pizza. Now, here comes a comparison of 3 by 4 and 2 by 4. We have to compare 2 portions of a pizza. 3 by 4 pizza or 2 by 4 pizza. Which portion of the pizza will be bigger? You can visually compare that 3/4 pizza is bigger than 2 by 4 pizza. From this example, you also learn that if the denominators are same, you just need to compare the numerators for comparison. This is why 2 by 4 is smaller than 3 by 4. Here we have another example. Your mom cooks a pizza and cuts the pizza into 8 equal parts, and she will either give you 6/8 pizza or 4/8 pizza. Now, in which case you will get more pizza? This is 4/8 portion of the pizza. Now again, you can visually compare that 6/8 pizza is more than 4/8 pizza. You can also notice that these are like fractions that is having same denominators. So, you just need to compare the numerators to compare the fractions. 4 is smaller than 6. So, 4 by 8 is smaller than 6 by 8. So, 4/8 of the pizza will be smaller than 6/8 of the same pizza. Now let's compare more like fractions in a quick fashion. 2 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4. 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 4. 1 by 3 is less than 2 by 3. 7 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is less than 5 by 8. 1 by 8 is less than 4 by 8. So all these are like fractions, that is, having the same denominator. And when we are comparing like fractions, we only compare numerators. Here we have more examples. 7 by 12 is greater than 2 by 12. 9 by 12 is greater than 7 by 12. 2 by 12 is greater than 1 by 12. 3 by 12 is less than 9 by 12. Now you know how we compare like fractions and why we only need to compare numerators while comparing like fractions. Now we will see comparing unlike fractions. Fractions having different denominators are called as unlike fractions. 3 by 4 and 5 by 6, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4, 4 by 8 and 3 by 6. These are examples of pairs of unlike fractions because they are having different denominators. Now let's see how we can compare them. One child has been given 3/4 of a chocolate, and one child is given with 4/6 of the same size chocolate. Now, who got more? Take the two fractions to be compared and multiply the denominator of the one with the numerator of the other, like this. Multiply 6 by 3. Write the product here. Multiply 4 by 4 and write the product here. You get the bigger product, that is 18, on this side. That is 3 by 4. So this fraction is bigger. 3 by 4 is bigger than 4 by 6. Here we have another example. We have 2 pizzas of the same size, and we cut one into 8 slices, and the other one into 6 slices. Now, if we take 2 pieces from this pizza, that is 2 by 8, and we also take 2 pieces from this pizza, that is 2 by 6. Now, which fraction is bigger? 2 by 8 or 2 by 6? Write the two fractions side by side and multiply the denominator of the one with the numerator of the other. Multiply 6 by 2 and you get 12 on this side. Multiply 8 by 2 and you get 16 on this side. So we get a bigger number on this side. So 2 by 6 is bigger than 2 by 8. Now, let's compare some unlike fractions in a quick fashion. Comparing 2 by 6 and 4 by 9. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. So we get a bigger number on this side. So 4 by 9 is a bigger fraction. Now let's compare 5 by 8 and 7 by 12. 8 multiplied by 7 equals 56. 12 multiplied by 5 equals 60. We get bigger number on this side. So 5 by 8 is bigger fraction. Now, let's compare 1 by 4 and 1 by 6. 6 multiplied by 1 equals 6, and 4 multiplied by 1 equals 4. And 6 is bigger than 4, so 1 by 4 is a bigger fraction. Here we have another pair of unlike fractions, 4 by 12 and 6 by 9. 12 multiplied by 6 equals 72, and 9 multiplied by 4 equals 36. You got a bigger product on this side. So 6 by 9 is a bigger fraction out of these two unlike fractions. So friends, now we know how to compare unlike fractions. Now we will learn how to compare mixed fractions. Here we have some mixed fractions. 2 1 by 3, 3 2 by 3, 4 5 by 6. They have a whole part and a fraction part. Now let's see how we can compare these. I have 3 chocolates. I have to distribute them between 2 children. So I will give 1 chocolate to each child, and then we'll give a half chocolate to each child. So each child's share is 1 by 2. So these are mixed fractions or mixed numbers. They are having a whole part 1 and a fraction part 1 by 2. And these mixed numbers are equal. They are having the same whole part as well as same fraction part. Now, let's have another example. Tia is having 1 whole chocolate and also a 4/6 chocolate. Sam is having 1 whole chocolate and also a 2 6 chocolate. Now, who has a bigger share of chocolate? Here comes a comparison of mixed fractions. One child is having 1 4x6 chocolate, and the second child is having 1 2x6 chocolate. For comparing mixed fractions, we first compare the whole parts. In our example, whole parts are equal. So, we will now compare the fraction parts. The fraction parts are having same denominators, so they are like fractions. And we know we compare only the numerators for comparing like fractions. So, 4x6 is bigger than 2x6. Hence, 1 4x6 is a bigger fraction. Now, let's compare more mixed fractions. Sam has 2 whole chocolates and 1/3 chocolate also. Olivia has 4 whole chocolates and a 2/3 chocolate also. Who got more chocolates? You can judge that the child with more number of whole chocolates has more chocolates. So, no need to compare the fraction part. So now we have learned for comparing mixed fractions or mixed numbers. We first compare the whole parts, and if whole parts are same, then only we compare the fraction portions. Now let's have some more comparisons. Which of the following mixed number is bigger? The one with the bigger whole number. So this mixed fraction is bigger. Now, which of these mixed fractions is bigger? Again, the fraction with a bigger whole number should be bigger. The whole parts are same here. So, we will be comparing the fraction portions. 1/3, 2/3. These are like fractions. So we will just compare the numerators for comparing these fractions. 2 is bigger than 1. So, 2/3 is bigger than 1/3. So this mixed number is a bigger number. Now which of these mixed numbers is bigger? 4 2/6, 4 4/9. Again, the whole parts are same. So we will compare the fraction portions. But the fraction portions are unlike fractions. Both are having different denominator. So, we have already learned how to compare unlike fractions. We will multiply the numerator of the one with the denominator of the other, like this. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24, and 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. And we get a bigger product on this side. So, this fraction, 4/9, is bigger. So, this mixed number with this fraction portion is a bigger number. So, friends, now we have also learned how to compare mixed fractions. Now you may go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye!
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!